Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Nazirah. In this video, I will present of my final report on topic virtual consultation and medication reminder application system development. Before that, my name is Nurul Nazirah binti Omar. My metric number is B20EC3017. My supervisor is Professor Madhya Dr. Nur Afida binti Ithnin, and I am from PSM1. To begin with, Virtual Consultation and Medication Reminder Application, or in short VICOMER, is a mobile-based application that will be used by patients with multiple chronic conditions and has to adhere to multiple medications. This application will have 4 users, which is the patient, caregiver, medical practitioner, and doctor. This application will help remind the patients to take medicine on time. The caregiver will be able to monitor the medication adherence. The medical practitioner able to set reminder according to the prescription, while the doctor able to give consultation virtually with the patient. The first problem background for this project is the age factor can result in being forgetful to take medicine, and then the patients need to attend physical appointment although in bad shape. And lastly is the family is unable to track and monitor patients' medication adherence. This is the objective for this paper. So objective 1 is to review existing approaches to virtual consultation, medication reminder application, and also the machine learning technology. Objective 2 is to design and develop a virtual consultation and medication reminder application that is used by patient, caregiver, medical practitioner, and doctor as a mobile-based application. Objective 3 is to test and evaluate the developed application for accuracy and effectiveness. There are 4 project aims for this application. For aim 1 is the patient can receive reminder from the application via notification and make appointment for virtual consultation. Aim 2 is the caregiver can monitor the patient's medication adherence by viewing the records. Aim 3 is the medical practitioner can set reminder for the patient according to the medicine prescription. Aim 4 is the doctor can receive patient's appointment and able to do virtual consultation with the patient. This is the scope of this project. So the first is this application will focus the development of the patient with multiple chronic conditions. And second is this application will be tested on the user with multiple chronic conditions and their family members. I have done the literature review for current system analysis that is from Sabu Siddiq College that writes Go Med Daily Medicine Reminder Application, and from Gandhinagar Institute of Technology that write Medication Reminder and Healthcare Application, and lastly is from HMR Institute of Technology and Management that write Medicure, a Medicine Reminder Android application. There are 5 literature review on technology or tools used have been done. So the first technology or tools is Flutter, which have several advantages, which one of them is to allow building applications that can run on multiple platforms including Android and iOS. And then Visual Studio Code or VSC, which is a lightweight but powerful source code editor. Jade, that is used for source code management in development. MySQL, that is able to store data to build machine learning in the database. And then Python, that have rich ecosystem of libraries and frameworks for machine learning. For example, PyTorch. For the methodology, I have chosen the Agile methodology as it is a straightforward and systematic development methodology. Other than that, it also offers flexibility and adaptability, considering the design that supports changing requirements to allow for valuable features and ensure the application will stay aligned with customer needs. Other than that, it also allows for users' involvement throughout the project to continuously provide feedback and guide the development process to ensure the customer expectations are achieved. This is the 5 phases of Agile methodology, which the first phase is ideation, which in this phase the user requirement is identified by gathering feedback from survey, other than studying the market trends on similar application. In phase 2, development, the development of application will begin to deliver the desired features, enhancements, and fixes if required. Phase 3 is testing, In this phase, it will emphasize the task planning will begin before development of the application, and it will evolve as the project progresses. Phase 4 is deployment. So at this phase, the application is live and ready of making it available to its end users. And lastly is phase 5 operations, which will focus on areas of improvement. Feedback from users through a survey will be collected to prepare for future development and also maintenance. So here is the use case diagram that consists of 9 use cases with 4 actors, which is the patient, family member or caregiver, medical practitioner, and also the doctor. This is the class diagram. UML class diagram is done to help represent the structure and relationship of classes, interface, associations, and their interactions within the application. In this system architecture, the administrator will ensure the continuous services in application, which they will handling the deployment, security and access control, and also the other things. The database server will be used for storing, organizing, retrieving, and managing data that is used by this application. The API handler will help to process and managing API requests and responses, and also acts as a bridge to enable communication and data exchange. A data synchronized handler in this system architecture will be responsible to give consistent and up-to-date data across multiple devices, and it will help to synchronize the data from different sources. This is the ERD diagram that is used to provide clear and organized representation of the entities within the application and database. For example, the entities here is set reminder, video conferencing, search doctor appointment, view medication records, medical practitioner, doctor, patient, and also the caregiver. And in this ERD diagram, it shows their attributes and relationship with each other. This is the user interfaces of the application approximately. So as you can see here, this is the create account and login interfaces that require the user to enter their credentials before create an account and log into the application. Next is the patient's home screen interface, where they can see the medicine they need to take for the day, and then they can also see their modules that they can access. And also for the appointment screen here, it shows the available doctors for the appointment. After the patients have selected the available doctor, they will be navigate to select the date and time available for the appointment. And next is the reminder interface that is used by medical practitioner to set the reminder. The medical practitioner can even update or delete the reminder as they want, and it is shown as per update reminder interface. And in medication records interface, it will show the medications that the patients are on, and also the status of the medication adherence, whether it is taken or missed on what time. That's all from me. Thank you for lending your ears, and thank you for watching.